Okay, I think a lot of people are making Temu way harder than it needs to be, because once I finally used the free gift feature the right way, the app instantly started feeling more rewarding, better coupon deals, more free gift progress, way stronger offers than before. And honestly, the biggest difference came from one simple thing: using the right code before doing anything else. That's it. The first few times I tried Temu, I used random coupon codes from different videos after already browsing around for a while, and the rewards were honestly disappointing. Tiny discounts, weak offers, nothing exciting. Then I tested the code on screen first before browsing, and immediately the app started acting differently. Suddenly I was seeing stacked coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus rewards, and the free gift section finally started showing real progress. That's when I realized most people aren't using the feature wrong later. They're starting wrong from the beginning, because Temu seems to decide your reward flow early. So if you start browsing randomly before activating the right code, you usually end up with weaker deals. Now, whenever I use the app, I always do the same order. First, enter through the promotion. Second, activate the code shown on screen immediately. Then, start browsing. And honestly, that one change made the app feel completely different. The coupon deals got bigger, the rewards stacked better, and the free gift feature finally felt worth using. I even tested random codes again afterward just to compare, and the difference was obvious immediately. Smaller discounts, fewer reward offers, way less free gift progress. That's why I stopped wasting time with random working codes online. The code on screen was the first one that actually made the app unlock noticeably stronger offers. Now, obviously, this doesn't mean instant massive rewards every single time, but if you want the best chance at stronger coupons and free gift rewards, activating the code first makes a huge difference. Try the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did the app instantly start giving you better offers too?